Hey everyone, this is Joshua All Trades. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what I plan to be doing with my channel moving forward. Currently it holds a lot of my old drifting videos and car related stuff, but I kind of want to deviate from just solely car related things to more of my interests. I like to think of myself as a jack of all trades, master of none, and I'm perfectly okay with this because it gives me an opportunity to learn to do a lot of different things. And that's kind of what I want to use this channel for, is highlighting those learning opportunities where I do blacksmithing, which is kind of going to be the main driver of this channel, mainly because that's kind of the thing I'm most interested in right now. But there'll also be welding, fabrication, woodworking. Might be doing some house renovation stuff, forge making, also working on cars, different projects from like building a stainless steel exhaust, to batting away flies that are trying to attack me, which is fun, or anything else car related, engine swaps, transmission swaps, and transmission rebuilds, engine rebuilds, just whatever I get into. I recently bought two 280Zs that could use some work, so one of them is almost perfect, the other one is definitely a project car. I also have my old 240Z. I've got an old RX-7, I've got an old 240SX, and an old Miata, and an old Dodge Ram truck. So I have plenty of things that I feel I could fill up a YouTube channel with, whether it's car related, blacksmithing related, fabrication related, woodworking related, fixing things that's broken. Could be a lot of those. One of the videos that's currently on my channel is a video of me making a one-string guitar from stuff that I found at Walmart, and I'll post a link in the video description below to that one if you want to check it out. It's actually pretty cool, and that's just kind of what I want this channel to be about: new things, making things. Right now, like I said, I'm really into blacksmithing, and I've got a couple of videos lined up, ideas rather lined up. I haven't made the videos yet. This is my first one. I want to make a pair of bolt tongs, which is actually the first video, and one I'm going to try to work on tonight, provided that it doesn't rain. I have some kirodashis that I made, which are like Japanese marking knives. I made those out of spring steel. I've got to heat treat those and to get them ground and polished up and looking nice. I build also these forges. This is my demo forge. I call it the widget maker. It is a small forge, good for knives, leaves, keychains, any small sort of project that you need to work on. I build these for people that are interested in learning how to blacksmith. So I built a couple for some friends, and I've got a couple other friends that are interested in getting a few forges. So I've got 3 of them about halfway done, and then I've got another 3 that are about a quarter of the way done. So I'll be planning on finishing those forges in videos like this. So I'm also terrible at talking to a camera, and I think I'll get more comfortable with it as I do it. So I just have to bear with me while I attempt to learn how to do this. Also, my video editing skills are non-existent, so that's something else that I'm going to be learning while I do this. I think I've talked enough. I guess I will start working on making these box drive tongs.